Hi, welcome to EdTech University at SMCISD. Have you ever wanted to capture a specific portion of a website or take a picture of your screen? Maybe you've been asked to submit a screenshot, but you weren't quite sure how to do that. Today I'm going to show you how to do exactly that. Let's say you're on a website. I'm going to use Twitter for my example, and you want to capture a particular tweet or part of the page. If you're using Windows, you have at your fingertips a utility called the Snipping tool, which will allow you to take a screenshot very easily. This tool has been around for a while, but Windows 10 has added a new feature, which I'll explain further in a bit. If you click in the Type Here to Search, or the Cortana box, and start typing snipping, the search results will show the Snipping tool at the top. Click to select the Snipping tool. The Snipping tool will open. It looks like it's nothing more than a menu bar at first. You have several options. The first is the New button. This is what allows you to actually take the screen capture, but you can modify the capture using the Mode button. The Mode button will allow you to change the shape of the area. The default is rectangular. You also have Freeform Snip, Windows Snip, and Full Screen Snip. The delay is new for Windows 10. This will allow you to create a 1 to 5 second delay from the time that you click New to the time that you select the area that you want to capture. This is helpful for capturing drop-down menus or other things in which you have to click something to be able to see it before you can capture it. The Cancel button is grayed out right now. This feature will become active once you click New. You have additional options available in the Options menu. You can select or deselect these, and the ink color down at the bottom is useful for the annotations, which we'll discuss further in a little bit. When you click New, your mouse cursor will change from a pointer to a crosshairs icon, and the screen will become slightly opaque. If the Snipping tool menu appears to be in the way, you can click and drag it to adjust its position. You must click and drag your mouse at the same time. You'll want to start at one corner of the area which you want to select, then drag diagonally or simply from side to side and then down. You'll notice as you drag that the area you select will appear clearly and with a red outline. That's how you know the area that you're capturing. When you let go of the mouse button, the screenshot is captured, and you'll return to the full Snipping tool menu. From here, you can use some simple annotation options such as the pen or the highlighter. You can also choose to customize the pen. You have red, blue, black, or you can click on Customize to choose a different color. You are limited to the colors that are in the drop-down menu. The pen is useful if you have a background and you want to erase, so to speak, some of the features on the page. You can also adjust the thickness, thick, medium, or fine point, and the shape of the tip from chisel to round. I'm going to switch this back to red and mark up a few areas on this screenshot. So that's how you use the pen. And the highlighter works similar to the way a highlighter does in real life. It is a transparent mark that allows you to see behind and simply highlight areas. And then the eraser allows you to remove only those areas that you have marked up on the page. From here, you can choose to save the image, or you can right-click it and copy it to paste it into another application. I'm going to go ahead and save this image. You can change the folder if you want to put it into a specific location and or the file name. I'm just going to leave this as the default and then click Save. And that's it. The Snipping tool is a feature that you may begin to use more often now that you know how to use it. For example, you have a spreadsheet that you don't want to share with someone. You just want to show them maybe a little bit of its progress. So you'll open the Snipping tool, click New, highlight the area, and then again, you can copy and paste it into an email, or you can save it and send it later. Let me show you now how to access the Snipping tool more easily. Search for the tool again in Cortana. This time, right-click it. You can choose to pin it to your Start menu. You can choose to pin it to your taskbar, or you can choose both. When it's in your taskbar, you'll see it down here at the bottom, which makes it very easy to locate. And from the Start menu, if you don't like where it is, you can drag and drop it into higher up on the Start menu if you like. And that's it. Thanks for watching.